My advice that I would give industry partners working with P-Tech is to have students collaborate in group activities with leaders because a lot of us are aspiring business owners and really want to do things in corporate America that require big leadership roles. And I think having those group sessions and activities with leaders will really build us because we already can basically interact with people our age. So I just think it'd be very cool for us to interact with the leaders in organizations.
I would recommend to make sure there are plenty of opportunities to take advantage of. For example, ongoing connections and communications. I would definitely like to come back and maybe have programs for after the internship so that we can come back and work with the family we created.
My advice would be when wrapping up our internships, maybe industry partners can give interns an opportunity to present their experiences using some type of artifact such as a portfolio or presentation just to capture what we have learned.
To incorporate both online and in person because I believe both methods shape students. I was able to experience the online side of it, of the PepsiCo internship, and I believe it's able to take the internship face to face. I would have came out with a whole different experience and perspective.
My advice for leaders would be to continue connecting dots by being able to see the needs from many students' perspective and also meeting them right at their need. For example, Thomson Reuters were able to incorporate skill building classes throughout the internships, which allowed me and my coworkers to continue building our professional skills within our workplace.
But one thing I would say continue doing is remain being a listening ear and a person to an intern that can come confide into, because sometimes as interns you really get talked at sometimes and not talking to or listened to. And I've just experienced being able to talk to someone and not only them listening, but taking my viewpoint and how I look at things into their perspective and, including them in the plans of the company. So that's just one thing I really, really, really want to encourage leaders to do, because as a younger generation, sometimes we kind of feel secluded in some areas. And so that will make us, become better leaders and hopefully be at a place that you all are one day.